Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another sneaker pickup for y'all today, man. But before we get into this sneaker pickup, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you like the content, share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get straight into this pickup, man. Yeah, I went to the Nike outlet today. They didn't really have much. They had those Singles Day men joints with the flaming basketballs. They had the 97 soles up there. I was shocked about that. They had the 98 New York joints from the Nike drop. They had some joints in there, I ain't gonna lie. They had some stuff, but it wasn't nothing crazy. But I ended up picking up, not for myself, this is for my brother. So I ended up picking this up for my bro. And these are the Nike M2K Tekno joints, or the Monarch 2.0s, man. Give y'all a good look at that tag. These joints ran like $50-something. And I rock with these. Bling, blow, work. Yes, call it what y'all want. I need to get me a pair for myself. But I definitely rock with these joints, man. No lie. Definitely rock with these joints. Let me go ahead and put this shoe down, man. I'm gonna do a review right here real quick. Not gonna do it on feet. These ain't mine. These my brother's. So these going straight to him after this. So let's get straight into it, man. Get y'all that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around. I ain't did that in a minute, man. Y'all OG to the channel. Y'all know I used to do this before I did the review on any shoe. Give y'all that full look like that all the way around. Let me untie this. But here we go, man. Yes. Right here you have like a little, this is 3M right here. You got like a little 3M swoosh right here with the royal blue stitching right here. Got a nice little, like a little mesh right here, a little mesh, little white. It's not even white. It's not even a pure white. It's like a sail. Got some nice little leather on here. It's not like stupid tumble, but it's like real soft and buttery though. It's not tumble, but it's real soft. This ain't no stiff leather on here. Have like a little royal blue panel right there. Now this right here is actually white. This is sail, but this is actually white. So you have like a little mint, like a light green or mint swoosh right here. Same right there with the little hints on the laces. You have like white laces with like blue stripes going through. Mesh tongue, white mesh tongue. At the top of the tongue you have Nike swoosh right there. Nice little hint. Same thing on this side. 3M, you have like a little swoosh right here on this back as well. Nice little leather foam top. At the back you have like a little lime green pull tab with little black dashes going through. The midsole of this shoe is sail, it's not white. It's a sail midsole going all the way to the back. This is a real chunky shoe. Have like that little same lime green or Volt green little rubber piece back here on the heel. Thick heel, feels real soft though. I actually tried these on in the store, not these but another pair, and these are actually comfortable. So I'm just throwing it out that these are actually comfortable. Like the midsole, outsole is like foam or something. I don't know. I didn't do no research on them, but I do like these though. Majority black, got blue right here on the heel, white like little foam pieces popping out. You have the swoosh right here, this little white panel is swoosh. The insole swoosh as well. The insole is that mint green or light green colorway. You have like a little foam insole for the shoe. And like I said, man, these are fire to me. Like, call it what you want, Monarchs 2.0s, whatever you want to call these joints are fire, bro. I like them personally. And like I said, man, that's the best part about the sneaker world, is you can cop what you like. Like, don't get me wrong, I got Jordans and all that stuff in the back, but I like stuff like this. This stuff right here that everybody don't wear. So it makes you stand out. And that's what I mainly like about them, and they comfortable, and they actually look a whole lot better than the Monarchs. So like I said, these are my brothers. You have like the little mint green right there on the lace tips as well. But these are my brothers, but it look like these hoes right here is 3 of them. I'm trying to catch it. But like I said, definitely copping me a pair coming real soon, man. Not this pair, because I don't want to be like twinning with my brother. That's kind of weird. But anyways, man, like I said earlier, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, sneaker pickup, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.